If your business, small, medium, or large, plans to accept debit and credit cards, whether in person, by phone, or online, you'll need to choose a credit card processing company to accept them. Although you'll pay some upfront fees and ongoing processing fees for doing so, going from a cash-only business to one that accepts credit and debit cards will lead to a big boost in sales. If you're already accepting plastic as a form of payment and you're considering to switch to a better provider, then the following advice might help you just as well to stay focused on the most important aspects of the decision-making process. According to Intuit market research firm Javelin Strategy and Research, forecasts that only 23% of all POS transactions will be made with cash by the year 2017. And as mobile payment options such as Apple Pay soar in popularity with younger shoppers, your small business may want to adopt new technologies to meet the needs of your customer base. However, choosing a credit card payment processor is not a simple task. Just as with any major financial decision, it's wise to carefully compare the pros and cons of each of your options before signing a contract. Here are 5 important factors to consider. 1. How much are the fees and other costs? Credit card processing fees can be up to 5% on everything a company earns from its credit and debit card sales, according to the U.S. Small Business Administration. However, some companies might be able to charge much less than others while offering the same products and level of service. The earlier mentioned overall amount is broken down for you, and the individual fees are visible in a monthly statement, paper or electronic format. These fees may be less or more itemized depending on the type of pricing that is provided to you. Tiered, cost plus, or interchange pass-through, and so on. Regardless of the pricing type, the main fee components will be present, and it really helps to get familiarized with them. Here are some of the main credit card processing fees to look out for. Interchange fees, monthly statement fees, application and setup fees, monthly minimum fee, monthly gateway access fee, early termination fee. It's important to make sure you understand your statement and all the fees, billing procedures, and service terms. If you have any questions and your company representative can't provide you a detailed explanation on the cost or fees, it might be time to move on to the next processor. 2. How long will it take to set up? It should be easy for you and your employees to set up the processing technology. Find out how long the payment processor will take to set up your account and install the equipment or payment gateway so you can plan accordingly. Ensure that you have all the proper communication means ready at your site before the setup. Dial-up, IP, Wi-Fi, and wireless are all different communication types, implying specific solutions to address them. If it seems like it might be a complicated task, such as during the integration of payment gateways or certain POS software types, make sure that you have technical support available, and the processor can also provide support by coordinating among POS technicians and IT specialists. 3. What are the accepted payment types? If you run a retail business, you might want to make sure that the new payments processor will help you accept all major credit cards and debit cards so you don't have to turn away any customers. After all, what's worse than that? You might also want a system that accepts alternative payments such as fleet cards, prepaid cards, gift cards, or an electronic benefit transfer, depending on what type of business you operate. 4. Does it accept new payment technologies? Does your business have a lot of tech-savvy customers? If so, you might want a payment processor with near-field communication, NFC technology, so you can accept digital wallets such as Apple Pay or Google Wallet. These devices allow customers to make purchases with a simple touch of their smartphone or tablets. Apple Pay, for example, works with most major credit and debit cards and now accounts for 2 out of every $3 processed through contactless payments. 5. How helpful is customer support? What if you run into technical problems with your credit card machine? Or you have questions about your monthly billing statement, such as confusing fees? Hiring a payment processor that provides 24/7 customer service support and direct help from an account representative can solve these issues. In addition, a helpful account representative should be able to explain any fees or costs you don't understand. And in the end, it might be worth paying a little more in fees to avoid unreliable, confusing service for your business. I hope I have enlightened you with the basic knowledge on how to choose a credit card processor. At TransNet Enterprises Inc., we are changing the payment processing landscape for small, medium, and large businesses around the world, one empowered merchant at a time. Through our goal-oriented, professional, and straightforward approach, we help experienced and non-experienced, tech-savvy and non-tech-savvy entrepreneurs from virtually every type of industry to stay true to their vision of success for their companies while minimizing credit card-related fraud at the same time. If you're looking to open a new business or would like to switch from your current processor, please contact us at 1-844 384-1484 or visit our website at www.transnetenterprises.com.